of a biscuit eater.
I'm glad he went the other way. Welcome back to Travels with Tommy and Lori.
We are at one of my most favorite places we've ever been to, ever, period.
Yeah, we accidentally found it like 5 years ago.
Yep. It is free. It is educational.
Yeah.
It is beautiful.
And it's crowded today.
And it is very crowded today.
So we're not the only ones that decided to come on down here and walk the gardens.
Every time we've ever been here, we've had it to ourselves pretty much.
Yeah. But not today.
Not today.
But it's pretty out here. I think we're at low tide, which is the best time to come, and we'll show you why when we get out there.
We didn't even tell them where we were.
We said Vereen Gardens.
No.
We're at Vereen Gardens. Memorial Gardens.
It is a long boardwalk. You just walk through the marsh, over the canals, and then it'll bring you out to a beach area, and if it's low tide, then you can walk that beach area freely.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's really nice.
So we're gonna go take our walk.
Yep.
We're actually, what is this? What do they call it thing? I don't know.
What do you mean?
The canal. What is that called?
Canals, the Bay Area, but marsh.
We'll figure it out. The intercoastal waterway. That's where the ships go out.
I was just wondering if we should have brought the bear spray.
I'm gonna say no.
Tommy said, reckon we should have brought a trash bag, since the beach we went to yesterday is pretty cleared. So
I already have one smart order and one truly can.
I just don't understand. Why is it so hard?
But the what looks like rock is crushed oyster shells.
Yep.
Seashells.
Did you see this? Stand here quietly. At low tide, can you hear clicking? That's the mollusks closing in their shell. Well, I think there's...
It's only got the one pincher?
Yeah, fiddlers.
Fiddler crab?
Hey, somebody's playing Funky Town. I don't know if I can pick them up on video. But I see them.
There's a shitload of them.
Yeah, there is a bunch.
I mean, how big you...
There's several little points out here where you can get out and comb for shells.
It's so nice.
It is. It's beautiful here.
And you know, this is going to be the spot. We spend way too much time.
Definitely top 10 of one of my most favorite places I've ever been to in my entire life. And the trail branches off, but you come to this cute little grove here. Make a wish and hang a shell. We've done it a couple of times. That one's really creative. Every tree and bush has become fair game. Tommy's looking for the perfect shell. We didn't bring a Sharpie with us, we forgot, but the universe knows the wishes. You don't have to write it down. You don't have to mark it for everybody to see. It knows. Is that your pick?
Look, it's got barnacles on it.
That's pretty
But
cool.
these are a dime a dozen out there on the beach.
Yeah?
I mean,
You gonna put some in your pocket to take home?
if you want me to.
Do I want you to?
So we're gonna.
You gotta make your wish. Hold it and make your wish. Say, I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies. 3 times. You gotta do it.
I did it. So. Let's see. Up here. Gonna be there forever.
All right, we got another one?
Yep. You want to do it?
Yep.
Are you wishing or
Oh, I'm wishing.
are you constipated?
I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies.
Here's a good spot.
I can't see because the sun's in my eyes. Oh, thanks. There's a spider web.
One day we'll remember to bring the Sharpie.
I think when we came here the first time, they actually had Sharpies
I
here.
thought so. I thought there was some laid out here. Perfect.
Got a boat club.
It's busy. Look at all the jet skis.
Chuck and Sherry, we can't remember which tree y'all's is on.
Look at this one.
Oh, some of them are super. Some of them are super elaborate.
This one here, look.
Yep.
Here goes some, hope all the children get their wishes. You can't see it from over there. It's got cute inside.
Yep. That one's pretty.
Hey, look, someone made a wind chime.
Oh, that's cool. That's so neat. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Whoever you are.
Well, I know who they are. Rose, Ruby,
Ham, Widget.
Steve.
That is so cool.
Richard.
Chewy. That's pretty awesome, though. That's really cool.
There's another wind chime.
Yep, I see it. Ooh, there's one that's sparkly.
Might actually got a sand on it.
Yep. I'm trying to get to this sparkly one. Look at this one. Wow. There's a bird's nest. Well, the cicadas ain't playing. You get these brief moments where nobody else is on the boardwalk with you. It's so freaking peaceful out here. So, this is called a Lotta pediculunca cotta something.
Hey, Lois. Look, it's the casino.
Cool. How confident are you in your directions?
I'm almost zero confident level right now. But this handy dandy map we got, it's not really laid out all that great. And we've never explored all the trails, but we just seen that there's a cemetery out here.
And what do we like?
Dead people. But what's throwing me off is that trail that's parallel to it says it's the blue trail.
And there's not a blue trail on the map.
There is, but by my calculations, we're nowhere close to the blue trail. So we'll see.
Are you sure it's not your calculations? Are you sure it's not the map, but rather your calculations that is off?
Well, we're not really sure.
Again with that we, I'm pretty positive.
I'm not really sure how this is going to work.
I'm pretty positive you're wrong.
But that's the trail.
All right, there's red.
I told you.
Wait, give me that look again. What was that look again?
You've never seen a damn red trail.
That was the whitest Samuel L. Jackson look I ever seen in my life. All right, so he says we take this red trail going this way, and it'll lead us back to the gold bridge,
The boardwalk.
which will lead us to the cemetery.
Yep.
I'm curious why there's a big orange X. All right, well, off we go.
Who felt the red trail?
I'm never gonna hear the end of this, ever.
I'm gonna find the cemetery.
I don't know, we might should have brought our tent.
No camping.
What if we get lost in the forest?
No camping.
Well, I think red stood for caution, because this trail's about to get, like, treacherous. Like, you gotta watch what you're doing. It's all roots. Tommy's already tripping over everything. So,
We're really close.
y'all got something against short people? You don't think hobbits walk these trails?
Only 6'8" above I get these trails.
Found me a bench.
We're
Thank
at
God.
crossroads.
At the crossroads. All right, Magellan, which way?
It seems we've come to a fork in the road.
With a cross. There's a cross there.
There is a cross.
My spidey senses say cross indicates cemetery is up ahead.
I'm gonna say this way. That goes to the road.
Yeah. Thank you.
I think I'm on the right thing.
Thank you, trailblazers. This narrowed down to a goat trail. All the other paths were like super wide. So I'm guessing that not a whole lot of people come back this far. There's also a lot of poison ivy, poison oak.
We are not coming back up this hill.
And you didn't see a lot of poison ivy and poison oak on the other trails because it looked like they kept them clean. What?
Squirrel.
Oh, there's a squirrel. Okay, hang on. Where? Oh, on the tree. Oh, there he is. Hi, friend. It's crazy though, because you think you're out in the middle of freaking nowhere, and there's the road right there. Tommy, don't you harass that squirrel. You can give it worms. So there's a bridge and an old creek.
An old bridge and a new creek?
Yeah, you know what I meant. An old bridge and a creek. This is turning out interesting. Look at all the nuts on the ground.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta
Navigate.
Yep. There's a squirrel eating a nut in that tree. Right there.
These squirrels do resemble rats more than the squirrels back home.
Yeah, they kind of do, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Don't come here drunk, guys.
What were these?
Peninculuncity. Funincula, fununcula. Son of a biscuit eater.
I'm glad he went the other way.
We ain't coming back this way, right?
Nope. I think you ought to go first.
Maybe we should have brought that bear spray. You asshole.
That motherfucker took off like a rocket.
Could you tell what kind it was?
Black.
It was hissing all the way, too.
Well, that answers my question.
What?
What kind of snakes they got? They kind of scared the shit out of them.
Dun, 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 dun.
Told you I was
Dang.
Sure you don't want to go back that way?
No, I'm not going back that way. There's some ruckus going on now. Mm-mm. No, no, I'm not. I'm going to find a bench and make Tommy get the car and come get me.
Wow. 1873, 1877.
Death is swallowed up in victory.
That's right.
Huh.
J.J. Vereen.
He wasn't terribly old when he died. He wasn't old either.
Susan B. Vereen, Hemingway.
Wow, look, so these go back to 1655 to the colonies.
Do you see
Revolutionary War soldier?
Jackson? Jackson 8?
No. Another Revolutionary War. Wow, he would have been young. Okay, he was born in 1760. So he'd been 16 years old when he fought in the Revolutionary War. 1776, he would have been 16.
Well, 1776 was when we claimed our independence.
Right. He would have been...
The Revolutionary War was before that.
Okay, so he would have been younger than 16.
Mm-hmm. This is kind of weird. You don't normally see this here. The Jeremiah first wife.
Oh, yeah.
Second wife. She died in 1733.
Dang.
It was 20 years difference here.
Yep. Died of a younger woman. That's really cool. Pardon Tommy's foot, but I think these used to be the old headstones because those clearly are fairly new. I'm not sure what the fuck that is. Not sure what it is, but I'm gonna leave it alone. Tommy's flying his drone. Benefits of a drone: automatic fan. Forever long the battery lasts. Oh Lord. Oh, hi friend. Thank you. Thanks, Tommy. Now to start the walk back. We're taking a different way. We're not going back. No more snakes. So we're out here. There's nobody out here with us. It's just us. Nobody walking. Some cars driving. That's it. We both keep smelling a lady's very, very strong perfume. If there's some lady, like human, alive person out here walking these trails and your perfume is that damn strong, girl, I bet you eat up with mosquitoes. But if it's a ghost, bye ghosts. Thanks for letting me rest a while in your area. Bye friends. So y'all know I always lag behind Tommy. And I'm lagging. And I hear him muttering to himself. What did you say?
I said we hiked the North Georgia mountains and never seen a damn snake. Come to the beach, walking through the woods and see a damn snake. Like a
Charged us.
Yeah.
And the mosquitoes here are vicious.
They don't bite me.
Oh, that's because you don't taste good. So we are on the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk here on the Strip. We have spent many a day and night pub crawling.
But we always come back to Blue Moon.
Yeah, we always come back here. Good drinks, good bartenders. This thing has homemade pickles on it. In it. It is so good.
You kind of fell behind there.
I did. I was trying not to suck it down.
Drinks are made to be drunk.
So, as an official pizza lover that you are, you will like, as long as it's pizza. What was your opinion?
I'd recommend it.
Would you? What did you like about it?
$3.
I don't know. You buried the receipt.
$3 a slice. Oh, it's 50 cents extra for pepperoni, so we got pepperoni pizza. So $3.50 a slice, and then 2 beers. It's $3.50 a beer. $14.99.
But it was good, right?
But I didn't catch this till just now. She charged me $15.
No change.
That's bullshit.
So while he laments on losing a penny, I don't like pizza. I eat pizza because everybody else likes it. And sometimes it's more convenient to do that than it is to just, you know, get something different than everybody else. That was good pizza. That, in my mind, is what pizza is supposed to taste like when I think about pizza.
So
But none of it ever tastes like that.
So just the commentary in your background there.
What?
So just the cheese pizza is $3. Pepperoni is $3.50, and a specialty is $3.75
Yep.
per slice.
Yep.
Not bad.
No, it's a good lunch. So he's in the restaurant singing West Side Story score.
Maria. You'd be alright if you remember to push the damn record button.
So that place right there.
Dragon's Foot.
But it reminds me, for whatever reason, I don't know what it is, but it makes me remember that time we got shepherded into that hustling gig in downtown Atlanta.
I thought you were talking about the hand.
No, I'm talking about the Dragon's Breath. You know, where they lured you in with something.
I won.
You did too, and we thought we were going to get jumped because it was supposed to be rigged, and he was very upset that Tommy won. But anyway, anytime I see something like that I don't know what it is, it makes me remember how we got lured in. So this is the arcade right off the boardwalk, or one of them. There's several of them. This is the one, isn't this the one you used to get turned loose in?
Yeah. We would get a roll of quarters and head on everything back then was a quarter.
Yeah.
That you get, these are tokens.
So when we come here, we try to go play a little bit.
Yeah, and we're getting the tickets away.
Yeah, for Tommy's childhood sake, that's what we try to do.
Ready? Hurry up! Good! Try again!
What he took just a minute ago over there.
Oh my God.
And then there's,
Wow.
Holy.
I hit the jackpot, it was over 1,500.
I would say you pretty much get what you want. Dang. He's got quite a few too. Wow. Dude, how cool is that?
Never thought it would ever happen.
No.
We found somebody that watches our videos.
Yeah, that's so cool. I handed her the car. She's like, oh my God, I watch y'all.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. That's a big fish.
I have a thing about sticking my head in holes,
Yes, you do.
but it was this big.
So he keeps telling me he's going to stop this worm train and see if he can get a ride. Yeah, I don't think he's going to do it. my God, here he comes. He's such a child.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse.
This is our new subscriber sitting in front of me. He's gonna be on our video.
Let me pull my phone
It's coming up on our campsite down here.
Did you tell you what it's about? I'm about to say, what's that? Yell it. My bad. Cardio. My bad.
But the laundromat is located inside of the A-frame, and there's places to sit and just relax, hang out.
There is a pool table in there I can't get to.
Well, they're fixing a ping pong table, so
I don't want to play ping pong.
I know that, but they got it shut down so nobody goes in there messing with stuff.
There's nobody working.
Basically be rest of the night.
Really?
Maybe even tomorrow, probably even like rest tomorrow if you're unlucky.
I always petting cats or hearing cats. Cat.
There is a very nice bathroom facility in here, and men and women's through here.
Been around here. He's like 20 years old.
Really?
Yes.
Aw.
Yes. So yeah, we always say he's our oldest employee.
The cat's name is Flounder. He's 20.
20?
20.
That cat don't look 20.
He looks good, doesn't he? He looks very
Yeah.
healthy. Bye, Layla. It was nice to meet you.
Well,
all right. And my voice sounds a little scratchy. I just sneeze like big time. So it's one of those ones that got in your throat. But we had a fantastic time. Fantastic time. I have to say, I think Mo Moon's beat out 2nd Avenue Pier.
With their Bloody Mary.
It wasn't it wasn't anywhere near as elaborate looking, but it was out of this world good.
A lot better.
Yeah. And the pizza was great. Like I said, I don't really care for pizza, but that was
a good place to stop for a slice of pizza and a beer, definitely.
And then Tommy made this Cajun stir fry. I don't even know really what to call it, but
it was delicious.
It was really good. And, you know, it's always a challenge cooking at the campsite because right now we only have the one lantern.
Yeah.
So we're basically cooking with our phone flashlights and a lantern and fighting off moths the entire time.
You do that at 11 o'clock at night, you know,
Yeah.
it gets dark. But we had a great time.
The boardwalk is always so
Yeah.
much fun, and you know this time was different than others. We didn't pub crawl. Usually we do.
Right. We did more of the camping style this time, and loved the campground. We got to actually spend a lot of time in the campground.
You made a friend, Jamel.
I made a friend.
Shout out to Jamel.
Yeah, made a friend.
I made a friend. She was 5 years old and cute as a button.
And a 20-year-old cat.
Yeah, and a 20-year-old cat. So, you know,
Yeah,
I had my posse.
It was a great trip.
It was. It really was. Can't say enough. And Vereen Gardens, man, is always a pleasure to see that place.
Have to go to
I
Vereen.
don't care how many times that I've been there. I see something different every single time. And every single time, it is totally worth it, except for that damn snake. For real.
It was all good.
It was all good. And I just want to remind y'all that next week we'll start our solo venture.
Our time apart.
So we hope you enjoy that. Should be interesting. But anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. Till next time, bye-bye. Stay spicy.